Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys, and if you have problems with your radio, with your navigation or with your DVD entertainment system guys, all that will be covered today guys, and we'll show you which fuses you need to check. We have quite a few fuses, I think 4 fuses that we need to check. Some are for the radio, some are for the THX system guys. This is the premium navigation sound system, and also guys some are just for the DVD in the back, but some of them do multiple things. So we'll explain guys which fuses you need to check. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So let me guys explain now, okay, which fuses we will be checking. All that guys will be inside the vehicle now, okay, that's where we'll be working guys, inside the vehicle. And that fuse box guys is actually located on the driver's side, okay, on the driver's side. And if you come guys this way, okay, right here you can see this is the cover. Slide that thing back, okay, and next I'm going to grab it, okay, and pull it out. And this is guys, okay, your fuse box right here. Now the fuse guys, okay, the first fuse guys that we need to check, okay, we have 4 fuses as I said guys. The first one guys will be fuse number 3. It should be 15 amp fuse, and fuse number 3, okay, it is the third fuse from top to bottom on the left side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's this fuse guys, okay, right here. This is the fuse, that's one of them. This fuse guys, okay, is for family entertainment system, rear seat control, and for the sync as well, Microsoft Sync. Now what else we're looking at guys? We're looking at fuse number 28, okay, and fuse guys, okay, number 28 is a little bit hard to get to, okay, and I'll show you now where exactly it is. Okay, I need to scoot the camera, okay, right here, because it's hard for me to show you. It is this fuse guys, okay, right here. This 5 amp fuse is as well guys. That's the fuse that we need to check as well. Now another fuse guys that we have, okay, it's fuse number 38 guys. Fuse number 38 now is, okay, if you come on this side, okay, you will see this fuse right here guys. This is fuse number 38. Okay, check this one as well. That's one of the fuses as well guys. And the next one will be fuse number 39, the one underneath. Okay, so those 4 fuses guys are for the radio, entertainment, navigation, and rear DVD player as well. So later guys, just don't forget to install your cover. Also guys, if you need to buy replacement fuses, okay, check out guys in the description of the video below. We'll share the link to see where we buy our fuses. This box is for a very good price. It comes with free fuse puller as well. It's an amazing deal guys, so please check it out for your convenience. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.